Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsey. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my third alternative project using the July 2023 paper pumpkin kit called Fun in the Sun. This fun kit creates 9 cards. There are 3 different cards, and you get enough supplies to make 3 of each of these cards. And they are all this fun fold design. They were so fun to put together, and if you're interested in watching me unbox this kit or create these original cards, you can click on my playlist up here in the top right corner, and I will link it up there. If you are new to Paper Pumpkin and are interested in getting your own monthly crafting kit, you can check it all out, and the information to that is below in the description. Today I have a really simple card using some of the products in the kit. We only need a couple extra products that you'll need to have. You'll need a card base. I'm using Pool Party cardstock, and then just some cardstock to kind of matte the edge, and I liked the way it looked with white cardstock underneath. So the pieces we're going to need from the kit are an envelope, and I've already used the back side of this envelope for my alternative yesterday. So if you didn't see that, check it out. And so today I'm going to be using this top design. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut it on this score line here. And then I want to trim it down so that it fits the same width as my sailboat die cut piece. So the width for this piece is 3.5 inches. So let's start on this side. So I just have that bottom edge against my paper trimmer, and I'm going to just trim off one side so it's nice and straight. Then rotate, trim again just to remove that curve. And then from here I can go ahead and measure at 3.5 inches. So once you've cut that piece, we're going to add it to a piece of basic white cardstock that is 3 inches and 5/8. So 3 5/8 inches squared. So that's just 1/8 larger than the width of our 2 pieces. So I'm going to add that with a little liquid glue. And I'm going to place it so that I've got that small border all the way around. So it looks something like this. And then we're going to add our sailboat to the bottom. But before we do that, I want to do a little stamping on my water. I'm going to be using the Sending an Ocean of Love greeting, and I thought it would be cute to add some little hearts to the ocean. So I have my Azure Afternoon, which is the same color as this blue, and I chose some hearts, and these are from the Share a Milkshake stamp set from Stampin' Up. You can see the hearts are right here, but you really could use any heart stamp, or you could even draw a heart if you wanted to. I just thought it was cute to add this little touch to the ocean since we're talking about sending love. You can add more if you'd like. I just simply liked it right there in the center. Next, I'm going to add dimensionals to the back, and then I'm going to add this to my card, this white square, and I want to have that same size border all the way around. So you can see that you're trying to match the left and the right sides, and then that same size of border on the bottom as well. Then you can add it to your card base, and again I'm just using a card base of Pool Party cardstock, which is the same color as this blue here, but you could use any color or even just do white as well. I also popped this up with dimensionals. And once you have those on the back, you can add this to the center of your card. And I'm not putting it in the center vertically, but I'm putting it on there horizontally. I did add a little extra cardstock here at the bottom for weight, so you can see that it's a little closer to the top than the bottom. And then you're going to add your greeting, and you can choose any greeting. I wanted to use the Sending an Ocean of Love, and I'm going to stamp that. You can do it in the center or off to one of the two sides. And just make sure you stamp it on there nice and solid, because you have a lot of dimensionals there, so it could impact the ability you have to get that image on there nice and cleanly. So just make sure you give it enough pressure to get a good stamp. And again, I used the Azure Afternoon ink for that. And then if you want to add any embellishments, you can. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it as is. It's a nice, simple card. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me create another fun, simple card using the July 2023 Fun in the Sun Paper Pumpkin Kit. If you're interested in getting written instructions or seeing close-up images on how you can create this card, you can visit my blog, creativechelsey.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.